How are you? Today we're going to be talking about some aspect of American history. What we are going to be talking about is the American colonies. We will be talking about what everyone considers the first 13 American colonies. They are on the east coast of the United States, and they have been divided into three sections. So we have the southern colonies, you have the middle colonies, and you have the New England colonies. The southern colonies are Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, Maryland. Again, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, Maryland. These are your southern colonies. Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, Maryland. They're the colonies that are on the lowest part of the East Coast. With the exception of Florida. Florida was settled by the Spanish, so we don't consider Florida as one of the 13 original American colonies that we talk about. The middle colonies: Delaware, New Jersey, New York, Pennsylvania, and Rhode Island. Again, the middle colonies are Delaware, New Jersey, New York, Pennsylvania, and Rhode Island. And if the southern colonies are about here on the East Coast, the middle colonies are about here. Again, Delaware, New Jersey, New York, Pennsylvania, and Rhode Island. They're called the middle because they're in the middle. They're between the southern colonies and they're between the New England colonies. The New England colonies are Connecticut, the Massachusetts Bay Colony, and New Hampshire. The Massachusetts Bay Colony is Massachusetts and what we know today as Maine. That whole area is the Massachusetts Bay Colony. We call it the Massachusetts Colony for short. Again, the New England colonies are Connecticut, Massachusetts, and New Hampshire. And they're at the very top in the northern part of the East Coast of the United States. Again, we'll go over this with the southern colonies: Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, Maryland. They're at the bottom of the East Coast. They're in the south. Middle colonies: Delaware, New Jersey, New York, Pennsylvania, and Rhode Island. They're in the middle. You have the southern colonies here, and you have New England colonies here. The New England colonies are Connecticut, Massachusetts, New Hampshire. They're the 13 colonies because they were established by people coming over from Europe in order to find riches, new lives, better religious practices, or places where they could go to practice their religion, and a place for them to try to find and establish their own new homes. Thank you.